How to fix Snapchat error code C14A. In this video I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option, and here you have to search only for Snapchat. Then open Snapchat like this and then go to storage option. Here what you should do, you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Then you have to click OK and click on clear cache also, and go back, click on force stop and click OK. And now the last step, now you go to permissions. Here you have to open it and you go to files and media, and now you have to disallow this option here like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel. See you in another